Holy smokes, okay. First off, apologies for not posting a new video in a while. I've been busy, been working on brewery stuff, been traveling. It's been hot, a couple new toys were purchased. Not a lot has been done, but let's get back to work. So today, first things first, I need to clean up this entire mess from the past couple weeks of things just getting placed in places. And then we're going to cut off this little section right here and then scuff the whole thing. Get it ready for primer, because once this spar gets put together, I can put it up there and start working on the second one. And that'll be a big, huge step, especially because that will be a complete piece, and that is a big completed piece. So let's get to work. You get to watch me do some cleaning. Now that the tables are mostly clean, I'm going to organize all the little pieces. So pretty much, I'm not going to finish these cap spacers until I'm ready to make the wing rib attachment brackets. So that way I don't lose track of things. So these will get separated out. I got them numbered. That way I can put them back in when I'm ready. And the priority will just be to get pretty much everything scuffed and prepped for primer. Get the spar mostly riveted, and then I'll worry about these later. Separated, look at that. Everything puts up a fight. Alright, time to start cutting. Alright, now that that's cut up, I'm going to clean it up with the file and it should be good to go. There we go. Nice and smooth. Now it is time for buffing. So that's the next step. That'll happen tomorrow. So that's it for today. We will see you tomorrow.